Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on the ear device, on the nose here, one and only Atafa the Press. Well, the Jamaica Defense Force, JDF, says it has noted concerns that the fatal shooting of 21-year-old Private E.J. Dumville in Denham Town last Friday was an act of fratricide. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear that? Let me repeat again. Wanna remember when me come out the other day, what did I say? If wanna remember when me say my wisdom warriors, right, remember. The Jamaica Defense Force, JDF, says it has noted concerns that the fatal shooting of 21-year-old Private E.J. Dumville in Denham Town, which is the soldier, see him there, last Friday, was an act of fratricide. You don't know what that means, my wisdom warriors? That means, say, I want I own. That means, say, it's one of his own. Fratricide is the act of killing one's brother or a member of one's own tribe or group. Wanna hear that? Private Dumville was shot and killed in an alleged confrontation with armed men in the Charles Street and Chestnut Lane area. My wisdom warriors, seriously, they make sure that they use the term alleged, because remember, everybody was saying that the soldier boy, a gunman do it and one bag of something. Remember that people say, but remember, I was totally saying something different. And the Jamaica Defense Force is saying they noted concern that the fatal shooting of 21-year-old EJ in Denham Town last Friday was an act of fratricide. Wanna see what I go on? When me always come out and I tell you, say, not even on your own, on for trust. You better believe me, my wisdom warriors. You better believe me. Me I tell you, say, when me hear say that youth are dead, at that first coming in my mind. That is the first thing. Me I say, no, sir. Me I say, no. Something not right. And I remember me there tell you, no. Me say it. And me even say, me I go use the word allege. And I remember, yes. Me say, it is alleged that I want I own do it. That me tell you, no. And see here where them are rule out right now. The JDF not ruling out fratricide in soldiers killing in Denham Town. Wanna hear that? JDF not ruling out fratricide in soldiers killing in Denham Town. That means say one group of people them we power with that them can lick out in head back. Jaja. Where will country really come to, my wisdom warriors? Where will country really come to? Seriously, nobody is not safe. Nobody is not safe. But when we get more upon this, I go definitely update you. Tell me what you think about it. You don't have to agree with me and my wisdom warriors. I want your phone thoughts in the comment section. The head of the Trelawney Police, Winston Milton, says a probe is now underway to determine how 16-year-old student Jamari Reed died. The teen's dismembered body washed ashore at the Falmouth fishing village on Tuesday. He went missing Monday after he left home to go spearfishing. Residents and fisherfolk have theorized the teen was killed in a shark attack. However, my wisdom warriors, the police, they must say something totally different. Even though they don't do the autopsy yet. Yeah, but the police, them assess something totally different. Take in this.
Speculation is rife that the body may have been mutilated by sharks at sea. However, I must state categorically that there is nothing empirically to support this. The body was found some 2 miles from the shoreline of Trelawney, where the youngster was fishing. This is a popular fishing spot for fisher folks. Uh, yeah. The concern now in the public domain is that the waters along our coastline may have been infested with sharks and is unsafe for swimming. I must state that after consulting with marine interests within the space and the local fisher folks here, there is nothing to indicate this. There is nothing to indicate that there's an infestation of sharks in our waters.
So my wisdom warriors, on hear what the policeman said. Basically, the policeman is saying that there's no shark in the waters. Yeah, so something else go wrong because this youth, when they find him with no HEAD and he not have no arm. You understand? So something go wrong, my wisdom warriors. So the question is, if I'm a shark, somebody attack him then? My wisdom warriors, we have to just all wait on the autopsy to say we're really good on with this 16-year-old. He's only 16-year-old, you know. Why would somebody want to take him life? What did he do? These are the questions we have to ask. But when them release the autopsy and me get any more information, me will definitely come update you know. It has come to my attention that the earthquake unit at the University of the West Indies, Mona, says a light earthquake of preliminary magnitude of 4 was felt in western Jamaica on Tuesday. It says the epicenter was located approximately 22 kilometers southwest of Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland. Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Me not like how this earthquake has screeched up and way, my wisdom warriors. Earthquake over there so, then earthquake round there so, then earthquake up the road. I don't like it one bit. I don't like it, my wisdom warriors, because I know countries, every time they have bits of earthquake going on, then a massive one come, and that is what we do not want. They must say, oh, prepare, but really and truly, how people are going to prepare for this? How people are going to prepare for this? They only prepare why? I forget them off our island. And then again, at that and Jones want. And at that everybody want. They don't mind everybody come off of that the island there. So they can get the island every blasted thing where they there. My wisdom warriors, you know, this definitely respond my heart. This earthquake thing. Yeah. This earthquake thing respond my heart. Because I have a vision about a year ago. How Jamaica come underneath water. You understand? The whole, well, not the whole, most of it covered with water. And when me look, me see enough of the enough man. Me don't know if them a politician, but there was a lot of man where wear tie and jacket suit. Enough of them was missing. Them body couldn't be found. Yeah. So, you know, me just seriously, my wisdom warriors. It's just we just don't want the earthquake. Because if magnitude of 7 or magnitude of 8 or 9 for hit Jamaica, Jamaica cannot manage it. Me I tell you, say Jamaica cannot manage it. A tsunami that. Tsunami are going to take Jamaica. We don't want that. So we have to continue to pray. We have to continue to fast. Jamaican people, when you hear about earthquake, this is not a joke thing. When you say earthquake, a jerk on here, there, and over there. Me I tell you, say, take it serious. If someone can cut, no cut. Me I tell you no cut. Me I tell you no. You know, safe, and it's not like so them have something in place. There's nothing. Seriously. There's nothing no one can do. You understand? There's nothing. But we just want everybody to know in a them head back say this year light earthquake we have felt all over Jamaica. It not right, my wisdom warriors. It not right. But anyway, wanna tell me what you think. Breaking news, my wisdom warriors. With the parliamentary election constitutionally due next year, the Electoral Office of Jamaica is preparing its estimates of expenditure for the administration of the poll. Wanna hear them something here? So quick them start do this, my wisdom warriors. Something alright. Me I tell you, say, I am smelling a very close election. I am smelling an election very, very soon. Yes. Because I don't know how Andrew Holness operate already, you know. Andrew Holness work off of the crowd. Yeah, man. He work off of the crowd, my wisdom warriors. He work off of the crowd. And if he feel like the crowd is with him, at that time, I'm going to call it. You think he easy? He not easy. Director of Election Glass Paul Brown said that the budget is to be submitted to the Electoral Commission for final approval. EOJ is preparing their budget for impending parliamentary elections. So, I know, say, you hear them talk about next year, but my wisdom warriors, do we hold them so early? Do we hold them so early? And I deal with this right now, you know, say, I strongly believe election is very, very near. Yes, election is very, very near, my wisdom warriors. So, I want everybody to prepare. Don't make the labor right then trick on you. Don't make the labor right them trick on you, my wisdom warriors. Don't forget what Andrew Holness do and what Andrew Holness is doing. Don't forget. Because you see, everything what Andrew Holness did want to implement in a 2020, 2021, 2022 during the pandemic, when Jamaica turn republic, him a go roll it out, my wisdom warriors. This is not a joke thing. This is a serious thing. You understand? This is a serious thing. And just because Mark Golding stand up firm, that's why certain things not implement. Me I tell you no Jamaica, you say I'll carry seat, it a come back. Don't be fool. Because them out here I do pure stunt and a trick uno and uno feel fishy. Uno feel fishy. You understand? Nigel Clark, I want next one in wreck with economy and a run. Yeah? And I strongly believe he is one of the illicit eight. I strongly believe this economy is not good, my wisdom warriors. 1.7 trillion, whole heap of money missing. Whole heap, my wisdom warriors. And this man a run away. Yeah, so true because yeah, I wonder if them, my wisdom warriors, enough things we have to think, you know. Maybe them use that, you know. Hey, you know, so the people them are back Andrew Holness. The people them are back Andrew Holness because Andrew Holness do what he's told to do. So they will do anything for back him. So this move with Nigel Clark now, Ghana the IMF now, it will bring more trust to the people. But Jamaican people, don't make that catch, you know. Don't make that catch, you know. Don't fall for it. Don't fall for it because you're not go sorry. You're not go remember say hot off of the press did I want, you know. You hear me, Jamaica? You know what? Take in this.
Pablo can also tell the friend that he's leaving behind 9 consecutive quarters of deceleration in the rate of economic recovery and expansion, and a projected decline of 1.5% by the end of this fiscal year, coming from the governor of the Bank of Jamaica. We know that it will be deeper than that. He's also leaving behind a budget that is 45 billion short. That is before the 50 billion for Hurricane Beryl. 50 is also leaving behind the exchange rate trading at 158.50. Yeah, inflation is running at 5.1% for the period, the over year July. Yeah, he's leaving behind a poverty rate of 20%. Yeah, and he's leaving SSL unresolved and with the highest energy costs in the world, which makes our exporters uncompetitive. So the trade deficit for the first quarter was $1.373 billion. He's leaving all of those things behind, the greatest finance minister we have ever had. Vital agricultural sector is also in a state of devastation. The ATM machines are still not working. The rent-seeking oligopolists in the financial sector still dominating the sector, holding back the economy. He's leaving behind all of those things. None of those things have been fixed. The monetary transmission mechanism is still not working properly. There's still a whole lot of confusion in the public sector after we paid Ernst & Young $1 billion to tell us how to do the transformation.
So my wisdom warriors, don't be fooled. Only hear what the man say. Only hear what the man say. So now, but that's true because Nigel Clark got IMF, Nigel Clark bright and in this and in that. No. Don't be fooled, Jamaica. Don't be fooled because our finance is in crisis. Me telling you that. Yeah, Nigel Clark mess up with economy big time. And that they don't want to tell they don't want to tell with the truth. Why you feel the opposition leader and Julian, Philip Powell, the whole of them right now we're so concerned. That is the reason one of the things here true. Nigel Clark is a good minister, make them concerned. No, we not get it wrong. We not get it wrong, Jamaica. They are concerned because they know what is going on. They know what is happening. They know what is happening. They see the mess. They see the mess when Nigel Clark create. You understand? And that is what they are concerned about. They are concerned about the economy. You understand me? So I see some labor right come out and I talk about, look at them, look at this and that. Labor right, uno dunce. Uno no have no sense. And Andrew honest, I got frig uno up. Uno no learn. Uno don't learn on the labor right. Uno for remember, Uno for remember what Andrew Honest do to we, during the pandemic. I mean, not talk about no COVID business. I not talk about that. Uno for remember, uno see him ratted while usually come out and a ball out. Uno think say everything when Andrew Honest did say I go implement and Mark Golden put a stop to it. Uno think say when Jamaica turn republic, Andrew Honest go implement it. Uno goes I go cook. And the people them when I really feel sorry for is the people them. Is the people them when I go vote for Andrew Holness. And them me feel sorry for, You see the one them when I vote for Andrew Holness, I don't care. But the good I go suffer for the bad. The good I go suffer for the bad just because labor rights stupidity. And them out here talking about PNP this and PNP that. Uno should have know better. Uno see where Andrew Holness put with you during the pandemic. No for no come out and a ball out. All this girl, she a labor right and she come out and she talk and she never like what Andrew do and then go kill her. Una tell me, say, Una know me always talk about that young girl and she never did disrespect Andrew. She wasn't disrespecting Andrew Holness. Una always hear me talk about that young lady. She a labor right. Even talk about my TV show 1 and 2 times. Yeah. So, enough for uno they are talk about PNP, this PNP, that. We out here fighting for uno. That we are do. We out here fighting for uno, for help uno, because uno fail for see. Uno not have no knowledge, uno not have no wisdom. That's why we out here helping uno to come to realization of what Andrew Holness is doing. And when we realize with uno labor right, uno fall for every trick. The man mislead, the man turn up on public platform and lie. And uno alright with all of that. A man, a prime minister, when I sign the code of conduct, a prime minister that is under investigation for illicit enrichment, enriching himself with taxpayer money. A man we can't declare asset. A man we break the constitution day in, day out. That is the man who all out here defend. No sense. People out in the world are laugh at we. Just because of labor rights stupidity, my wisdom warriors. And let me tell you something. You need to go out and vote. When you hear glass ball come out and attack. Me want to go out and vote for PNP. Me I tell you my wisdom warriors. Yeah? Vote for PNP. Don't vote for Andrew Holness. If you don't vote for Andrew Holness, you not go get it underneath on your skin. So you stay there make Andrew Holness a sweet up with cash grant. Because he get 500,000 now, Yes, England give him 500,000 pound. That about 104 billion 394 odd million. Listen. Andrew Holness must be smiling right now. And let me tell you, Jamaica, don't sell on a vote. You hear me? Don't sell on a vote. Don't sell on a vote, my wisdom warriors, because you not go suffer. Never you do that. Stand up for truth and rights. Stand up for truth and rights. Listen, say, me I want to know. Stand up for truth and rights. Stand up for what you believe in. You get me? Not because somebody I can give you no money. Yeah? Don't mean say uno fi sell out on yourself. Never uno do that. Have self-value and moral. Stand up for truth and rights. Jamaica, me I want to know once again. Stand up for truth and right. Stand up for what uno believe in. Uno want better. Better must come. All you have to do is unite. Come together and unite. And me I guarantee you, it will work. It will work. Me, I tell you that. But my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about this. And put honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link are there in the comment section. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can do so on 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.